How to become a more profitable forex trader. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, just motivate me to continue making videos. In this quick video, by the way, if you are looking to download stuff, there are links in the description box below. Visit the blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for: forex robots, indicators, systems, and stuff like that. Let's get into it. It's going to be a quick short video. Okay, so what I noticed with some of you guys is it's not like your analysis or your strategies are terrible, but it's just that some of you guys do not know when to enter the markets and when to stay out of the market. What you need to do is to have a plan for taking only trades with a better risk to reward ratio. For example, the chart that you are looking at, it's a bad idea for a person to be, let me look for this. It's a bad idea for a person to be looking to be taking trades in this area, this blue line, because first of all, the trades can go either way. You might sell here and you can see we are almost halfway and the market might go back up and you're in trouble, or you might buy and the market goes down. Avoid the middle ground. Avoid middle grounds. And secondly, the amount that you are risking for the reward is too little. It doesn't make sense. Like we said, if it turns against you, you stand to lose a lot more money than you probably stand to gain. So you need to avoid trades with low risk to reward ratios. What you probably need to do is to actually wait for price to come to these ends. You can see price is moving this way in this level. You can see what price has been doing in this level. Don't do anything here, just sit on your hands. Don't do anything. It's one of the most neglected skills in forex, doing nothing and waiting. So what you want to do is to actually wait for when the market comes to these ends. For example, here you find that your stop loss here was probably there, but you are looking for the market. What did I press there? I pressed a different chart. Which chart was I looking at now? Let's find the chart that I was looking at. Was it this one? Probably gold. Yes, it was gold. Sorry about that. So I was saying you need to focus on trades like so, where the risk to reward is in your favor. For example, you are only risking around about 26 pips there, and if things move in your favor, you stand to make around 350 pips. A massive risk reward ratio. Don't go for trades where you probably are risking, let's say, 55 pips only to gain something like 48 pips. It's just an example. So your trading style is not bad, your strategy is not bad, but the trades that you are taking every other trade that you see, you are taking every other setup that you see. What's missing is you simply calculating, is it going to be worth it if it moves in my favor? Example is, if you are playing from this end and you are eyeing this other end, then it's going to be worth it. If you are trying to catch movements from here, you are probably risking this. You are risking that in order to potentially catch that, which does not make sense. So be careful with your entries. Your strategy is okay, your mindset is okay, everything is okay, but don't just take any and every trade out there. Choose your trades carefully. Risk reward ratio, important. Like this video, leave a comment in the comment section below, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.